Hello students, welcome back to Infinite Adyan. So today in this particular video we shall be continuing and solving the remaining questions of exercise 9.1 which is based on percentage and its application. So before starting the exercise and that is solving the questions, let us recall what we discussed in our previous class, that is about the basic concepts of percentage. So basically what was percentage? Percentage means from the word percent we can say what is percentage. Per means 1, cent means 100, that is percentage means 1 out of 100. Okay, and it is represented by this sign. This sign is known as percent. Okay, this sign is known as percentage sign. Okay, so now we also came to know two rules. Okay, one was when to convert a ratio or fraction or decimal into percentage, we have to multiply it with 100 and put the percent sign. For example, 2 to the power 2 divided by 3, to convert it into percentage we have to multiply it with 100 and put the percent sign. Okay, now for example, if another and to convert percentage into fraction, what we have to do? For example, 75%. To convert this into fraction, we have to divide it with 100. Okay, 75 divided by 100, and we have to remove this percent sign. Okay, and so these were the basic concepts, and we also came to know some formulas. Okay, we'll discuss the formulas later. Now with this, with the help of this, that is how to convert percent into a number or how to convert a number into percent, with this we can solve the remaining questions of our today's class, that is from question number 10 to question number 20. So now let's start the solving the questions. That is the first question will be our question number 10. So here our first question of today's class is about Asha deposits rupees 1200 per month in the bank in fixed deposits. Okay, so Asha is a girl, she deposit 1200 per month in bank as fixed deposits. Okay, what is fixed deposit? For suppose if I deposit a certain amount in the bank for a fixed term of year, for example, if I deposit an amount for 5 years, that is before 5 years I can't withdraw this amount, this is known as fixed deposit. Okay, so Asha deposits how much? 1200 per month in the bank. Now if this is 20% of our monthly income, this is our main information of the question. Okay, if this is 20% of our monthly income, if this is means what? If 1200 is the 20% of our monthly income, then we have to find her monthly income. Okay, here we have a relation, isn't it? That is 20% of Asha's monthly income is how much? It is 1200. Okay, so now we have to find her monthly income. So do we know what is her monthly income? No, isn't it? So we'll consider, let the monthly income of Asha be X, isn't it? Then 20% of X is this amount, isn't it? And then we'll for then the steps are easy one, everyone can solve. Okay, so let's look at the board. So first thing we have to write this solution. Then let means consider, let the monthly income of Asha be rupees X. Okay, let the monthly income of Asha be rupees X. Now according to question, 20% of rupees X equals rupees 1200, isn't it? This 1200 is the 20% of his salary, isn't it? 20% of his salary means what? 20% of his salary we have considered is X, of means 20% of his salary equals how much? 1200. Clear? So 20% means what? 20 by 100 and of into rupees X equals rupees 1200. Okay, now look, this 2 0 0 got cancelled, then 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 5 is 10. So 1 into x is what? X, isn't it? And divided by 5, okay, equals rupees 1200. Up to this clear? Okay. So now look here, we have to find the value of x, isn't it? So we will remove this 5. Here 5 is divided with x, so when you change the side it will be multiplied. So we can write x equals rupees 1200 into 5, okay. So it will be rupees 12 into 5 is how much? It is 60, isn't it? 60, then this 20. So x is therefore what? X is how much? X is 6000, isn't it? X is 6000. So what was x? Monthly income of Asha. So we'll write therefore monthly income of Asha is rupees 6000. I hope this is clear to you, okay. This is the very easy question, just we have to know this, that is the relation of our salary and the percentage, clear. And then these steps are easy one, everyone can solve according to the questions, isn't it? 20% means what? 20 divided by 100 of means into then rupees x equals rupees 1200, okay. So now let's move to a next question, that is question number 11. Okay, so here the next question is about a population of a town, okay. Here the population increases from 1,60,000 to 1,80,000 in a year. Now we have to find the percentage increase in the population, okay. So how can we find the percentage increase in the population? If we know how much population increased, isn't it, by its original value. Suppose here if we subtract, it will be 20,000, isn't it? So our percentage increase will be what? Increase in population by original population, okay. What was original population? Original population was 1,60,000. So it will be 20,000 divided by 1,60,000 into 100, then percent sign, isn't it? So this is how we can find the percentage. This is the same formula. For example, you have 600 marks, full marks is 600. Now marks obtained is how much? Marks obtained is suppose 510, isn't it? So how to find out the percentage? So marks obtained divided by full marks into 100, isn't it? So 510 divided by 600 into 100 is how much? It is 85%, okay. So here also we have to first find out, we have to know how much population increased. So how to find out how much population increased? If we subtract this 1,60,000 from 1,80,000, we can find out how much population, that is increase in population, okay. Sorry for the disturbance. So we write solution, then increase in population, we write increase in population. Increase in population equals how much? This minus this, isn't it? So 1,80,000 minus 1,60,000, okay. Okay, so now if we subtract 1,60,000 from 1,80,000, it will be 20,000, okay. So this 20,000 is the increase in population of the town. Now we have to find the percentage increase, okay. These is numbers, isn't it? We have to find in percentage, that is how much percent population increase in that year. So we will write percentage increase, percentage increase, percentage increase will be what? Increase in population, increase in population, okay. Increase in population divided by original population, okay. Original population into 100%, okay. So now increase in population is how much? 20,000. Original population is how much? 1,60,000, isn't it? 1,60,000. Okay, then into 100, then percent sign. Look here, 4 zeros. Here also how many zero? 4 zero. Got cancelled, isn't it? Huh? Now 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 8 is 16. Up to this clear? Okay. So now numerator into numerator multiply. 1 into 100 is how much? 100. 100 divided by 8%. Again, sorry, because my health condition is bad, isn't it? So now this is the percentage increase. Okay. Now our standard form is what? We have to convert it into mixed fraction, isn't it? If it is in decimal, okay, decimal comes, then after this decimal, the like this, if fraction comes, if it is more further divisible, isn't it? We can convert it to mixed fraction also. So we will convert it in the mixed fraction. Now 100 into 100 divided by 8. Okay, look, 100 divided by 8. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. Then 2 0. 8 into 2 is how much? 16. Isn't it? Then 4.0. 8 into 5 is, okay, sorry, we are not converting into decimal. Okay. So look, can we write 100 divided by 8 as 8 into 16 into 4 plus 4, isn't it? So 8 into 16 plus 4%. This is the mixed fraction. Okay. This is what? This is mixed fraction whose value, this value and this values are same. Okay. 8 into 16 then plus 4 is 100. Up to this clear? Hey, what I have done, man? 8 into 2 to the 16, sorry, 8 into 2. Okay. So 8 into 12, 8 into 12 is how much? 96. 96 plus 4 is 100. So 100 divided by 8%. Okay. So now we will write, therefore increase in population is, therefore increase in population is 12 into 4 by 8%. So how did we find this percentage? First we have to know how much population increased, isn't it? So how much population increase, how can we find? We have to know what was the population in the last year and what is the present population. If we subtract the population of last year from the present population, we can easily find out how much population increased. Okay. So here how much population increased? It is 20,000. Now we have to convert it into percentage. How? We will write percentage increase as increase in population divided by original population into 100, then bracket percent, and then this 4040 got cancelled, then 1 with 16, what 2 into 1 is 2, sorry, 2 into 1 is 2, then 2 into 8 is 16, isn't it? Then 1 into 100 is 100 divided by 8. Now we have converted this fraction into the mixed fraction. 12 into 8 is 96, and plus 4 it is 100 by 8. So this is the increase in population of the town. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. So now let's move to our next question, that is question number 13. Sorry, I told you that now we will be solving question number 13. Extremely sorry for that. Now in the previous question it was question number 11, isn't it? So now we will be moving to question number 12. So here the question is, a garden has 2500 trees, out of which 15% are orange trees. That is, out of 2500, 15% are orange trees, 30% are mango trees, and the rest are lemon trees. Okay. Now we have to find the number of each variety of tree. That is, how many orange trees are there, how many lemon trees are there, and how many mango trees are there. Okay. Let's find out how. These are the very easy questions of these exercises. Okay. So we'll write solution, then we'll write total number of trees. Total number of trees equals 2500. Okay, 2500. Now out of which 15% are orange trees, isn't it so, right? Number of orange trees, number of orange trees is what? 15% of 2500. Okay. Now 15% means what? 15 divided by 100 into 2500. So this 2020 get cancelled. So it is 15 into 25, isn't it? So 25 into 15 is how much? 5 into 5 is 25 to 5 into 10, 2 is 10, 12, then 5, 2. So 5, 7, 3. So it is, there are how many number of orange trees? There are 375 orange trees. Okay, number of orange trees is 375. Now we have to find how many mango trees are there. Okay, so we'll write number of mango trees equals how much? It is 30% of this, isn't it? So here we will write 30 by 100, then this 00 will be get cancelled, isn't it? Now 30 into 25 is how much? 30 into 25, 25 into 3 is how much? 25 into 3, it is 75, isn't it? So 75, then this 0. So number of mango trees is how much? 750. Okay. And the rest are lemon trees. Now how can we find the lemon tree? Look, here we have total number of trees, isn't it? Total number of trees 2500. Among them 375 are orange trees and 750 are mango trees. Okay, now if we add this after adding, if we subtract these numbers from the total number, the remaining is how much? Lemon tree. Okay, so now we can easily find out how many lemon trees are there. So write number of lemon trees. Number of lemon trees equals how much? 2500 minus 375 plus 750, isn't it? Okay. So now let's add this 2. It will be 5, then 7 plus 5 is how much? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, then 1, 10, 11. So it is 2500 minus 1125. Okay. So now if we subtract 1125 from 2500, we will get the result. Okay, and the result will be the number of lemon trees. 10 minus 5 is how much? 5. Here 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. 2 minus 1 is how much? 1, isn't it? So number of lemon trees is how much? 1375. Now if you wish to find out what is the percent of lemon trees, you can easily find out. Okay, x percent of, we will write, let the percent be x. Okay, so x percent of 2500 equals 1375. Like this you can find the value of x, and the x will be what? The percentage of lemon trees. Okay, but up to this is our question is asked. Okay, find the number of each variety of the tree. Up to this is our answer, and these are the part I am telling is the extra part. Okay, you can find, if you find, well and good, and if you don't find also, you well and good, no problem. So I hope you have understood how to find that is how to solve this such type of questions. How? First find out the percentage of this one variety, then find the percentage of the second variety. If you find you will find the respective numbers, isn't it? Then if you subtract the numbers from the total, you can find the numbers of the third variety. Okay, so now, okay, I felt sorry for you, because in the beginning I told you that today in this particular video we shall be continuing this exercise, but my health is not permitting to do that. So So we'll be continuing and finishing the exercise in our next class. Okay, so before that, stay safe, stay blessed, and solve the previous questions. The previous idea of the previous questions will be useful if you know the previous questions. That is, if you can easily solve the previous questions, you can solve the further questions very easily. So bye bye.